So today there's nothing drastic that's going to be going on. I'm just going to be bolting a couple things in place because I'm really excited and I just want to get the ball rolling. So I'll probably do this in a time lapse. Not going to take too much time, but I just want to show you guys the progress. So that's all I'm going to do today. I do have an aftermarket coolant overflow bottle that's going to go right here, and that's coming in the mail tomorrow, along with my Radiator lower rubber grommet mounts that'll go down there, and some nice aftermarket brackets that'll hold the Radiator in up the top here, both from EFI Solutions. If you guys are following me on the build, let me know by leaving a like, and I'll see you on the next one.